Hi there, this is a quick update to the topic where we wanted to show tasks in My Tasks in Planner. So sometimes you don't see it. So basically, I can pick any of the plans. Say any of the plans have a Christmas movie. There you go. So I'm gonna pick this plan and assign. I'm gonna assign me to document. Create site survey report. I'm going to assign myself to this, and then I'm going to make sure that I am a member of this group. So already a member of this group. I have just assigned myself to it, and I don't need to create a new project or make a copy of this project. I can do it for existing projects, and this new task, create site survey report, should show up in my task list. After you actually do this, it takes, I don't know, about 15-20 seconds or so for it to show up here. But that's uh, that's where it is. So if I have a Christmas movie, it's gonna show up here, the task, the sites. Sometimes when I wanna switch to something else, but realistically, it's just gonna show up here. Just go back and forth a little bit. Just go back and forth here, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And it's going to show up. Anyway, so if you do have any questions, in the meantime, please shoot the comment below, and we'll be happy to assist you in anything related to Planner, or Power App that we have. The PPM 365 solution or other solutions that we currently have in the arsenal. Let me, there you go. So create site survey report. There you go. Right. Just took a little bit of a time to show up here, but there you go. This task is in my tasks. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Thank you.